Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. And friends, thank you. In this video I will show you how to download and install CommView for Wi-Fi software for your PC. This is actually the traffic control of Wi-Fi internet software for your PC. I will download it into my PC and install it, and I will show you in this video. Thank you. And let's go to our video and search here CommView for Wi-Fi and open the first website. That's name is demos.com. okay, open this website and you can see here the overview of that software. Download CommView for Wi-Fi. You can see at the description, and everything about your Wi-Fi is described here, and following adapter have been the adapter that can be tested are compatible with CommView for Wi-Fi. That is, these are the adapter. Okay, Intel AX 2020 210 211, Intel AX 200. These are the adapters list, and AC adapter and AX adapter, Wi-Fi 6 adapter. Okay, you can see the list here, and the feature of everything you need from site surveys and spectral analysis in a super bundle. Okay, we are going to download for our PC here. Download CommView for Wi-Fi here, and you can see the setup has started to be downloaded, and that is about 100 MB setup. And after that download, we will try to install it into our PC, and we will wait for it to be downloaded. Okay, after that download, we will try to install it into our PC, and we will get all the feature in free edition described here. And thank you so much for watching my video. Because the download has been still continues, you will need to install it in this video. After that, install download. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video.